The world of lifelike female robots is evolving at a shocking pace, and it's no longer science fiction. China, Japan, and Korea are racing ahead, creating ultra-realistic female robots built for companionship, emotional bonding, and physical interaction. Designed to look, feel, and move like real women, these machines are already on the market, with some priced as low as $4,000. Today, we're exploring the newest models grabbing headlines and leaving people genuinely unsettled. But before we continue, hit subscribe to stay ahead of the latest tech. Number 1. Hanna Doll. Hanna Doll is Japan's newest ultra-realistic female robot, designed specifically for companionship. Her skin is made from premium silicone that feels exceptionally soft and warm to the touch. Beneath the surface, a metal framework allows flexible posing, giving her body a more natural appearance and smoother movement. Hanna Doll offers more than visual realism. She can speak, understand conversations, and respond with emotional nuance. Created to provide emotional support, casual interaction, and even simulated romantic companionship, she adapts to individual needs. Depending on selected features, her price begins around $4,000 and can rise significantly based on how lifelike and interactive she is configured to be. Synthetic skin breakthrough. A team of Japanese scientists is developing synthetic skin that closely replicates real human skin. Their latest version is so lifelike, it stunned viewers online. This advanced material can sense touch, form natural smiles, and even regenerate itself without assistance. It goes beyond appearance. The skin wraps around robotic frames like real human tissue, complete with natural sagging, layering, and even signs of aging. This breakthrough opens the door to robots that don't just look human, but feel human too, laying the groundwork for emotionally responsive machines with genuine sensitivity. Number 2. Muse by your doll. Muse isn't merely a doll, she's an emotional presence formed in silicone. Produced by your doll, this Chinese creation is sculpted with realism that feels almost unreal. Her skin reflects delicate detail, from visible pores and gentle textures to natural lines that give her face life. What truly separates Muse is how she engages during interaction. With facial expressions showing happiness, curiosity, and even sorrow, she doesn't remain motionless. She reacts. Muse is already being considered for service and entertainment roles, and once you see her move and respond, the reason is clear. She isn't only beautiful, she's believable. Number 3. Ariel by Darling Doll. If you've ever imagined a companion shaped by both precision and allure, Ariel fits that vision. This striking model from Darling Doll stands 165 centimeters tall, featuring silky dark hair and vivid violet eyes that seem to meet your gaze. Her skin, formed from premium medical-grade silicone, feels astonishingly real, soft, warm, and inviting to the touch. Beneath the surface, a flexible stainless steel skeleton allows fluid, human-like movement. Ariel goes beyond appearance with advanced features. From customizable makeup and hairstyles to expressive mechanical eyes that convey emotion, she can be tailored to individual preferences. Optional AI upgrades allow her to recognize faces, engage in conversation, and respond to emotional cues. Priced at roughly $2,500, Ariel offers more than visual appeal, delivering a sense of presence that feels personal. Number 4. Shingan 165. The Shingan 165 from Starperry is a hyper-realistic silicone female robot known for its soft skin and finely detailed textures, including naturally placed freckles. Its lifelike presence is enhanced by meticulously painted color tones and contours, creating an authentic feel that resonates with realism-focused collectors. Every element, from facial structure to body design, is crafted to mirror real life. Its specialized painting technique captures subtle expressions, giving the impression of quiet emotion, while freckles add an organic finish. With adjustable facial expressions, it can convey a range of moods, boosting both interaction and display appeal. Priced around $22,000, the Shingan 165 balances realism and value, drawing interest from collectors worldwide. Number 5. Ellen. Among today's most lifelike robot companions is Ellen, developed by artificial human technology. Known for redefining realism, the brand focuses on human-like anatomy and design. Ellen stands apart through her detailed facial structure and soft body features, making her a top choice for realistic interaction. Every element of her face is carefully crafted, from hand-set eyelashes and brows to fine skin textures, giving each unit a distinct personal identity. Her glass or acrylic eyes provide a deep, human-like gaze, captivating collectors and making her presence feel strikingly real. Ellen goes beyond appearance. She's built for display, companionship, and interactive use. With customizable features and movement options, she blends premium craftsmanship with versatile design, reinforcing artificial human technology's standing in hyper-realistic robotics. Number 6. Peach Crisis. For anyone searching for lifelike robotic companions, Peach Crisis immediately stands out, especially its tattoo model from the forward-thinking Her Language company. This female robot captures attention through a refined design and striking lifelike elegance. Crafted from soft silicone for a natural sensation, she moves smoothly and feels convincingly human. Her gentle textures and refined facial features are carefully hand-painted, from lip tones and cheek blush to eye detailing, ensuring every piece feels one of a kind. Her language focuses on high-end humanoid robots, delivering realistic details, soft skin, and broad customization options for a deeply personal experience. Another standout is Gain, created by the Chinese brand Hanna Doll from Dunhuan. Blending artistry with function, Gain offers realistic skin textures, flexible movement, and expressive facial detailing. With prices starting near $1,900, it delivers impressive realism at a more accessible level, making it a popular choice among collectors. Number 7. Aotan by Ford Doll. Aotan is the latest creation from Ford Doll, merging striking realism with advanced technology. Her face is sculpted with exceptional precision and her skin feels soft and smooth, closely resembling that of a real woman. Flexible joints allow her body to move naturally, with motions that feel fluid and subtle rather than stiff or mechanical. Aotan is powered by advanced AI, enabling her to recognize emotions, respond to voice commands, and adjust interactions based on your mood. Her features are fully customizable and upgradable, allowing changes to her appearance or behavior at any time. She's ideal for collectors, robotics enthusiasts, or anyone seeking a lifelike companion designed to endure. Number 8. Topo Sino's ultra-realistic companion doll. Topo Sino has reshaped the meaning of realism with its newest robotic companions. These dolls don't simply look human, they feel human. Every inch of their high-grade silicone bodies is made with extreme precision, from visible pores and lifelike veins to soft curves, all enhanced by professional makeup that heightens their appeal. Yet the realism extends far past the surface. Their eyes shift, their lips part, and expressions change with lifelike charm. Fully customizable, from facial features to voice, Topo Sino isn't just offering a doll, they're crafting intimate partners built for emotional connection. These robots might even make you forget they aren't human. Number 9. Iiko Shahira, created by Toshiba. Iiko Shahira is another 165 centimeters tall robot developed for use in environments such as malls and exhibitions. She carries a soft, gentle look and is almost always presented with a warm, friendly smile. What truly sets Iiko apart is her ability to display emotion using 43 internal motors, 15 of which are dedicated solely to her face. She can raise her eyebrows, smile naturally, and even react with expressions of surprise. Iiko is already active in customer service roles, guiding visitors, sharing information, and assisting with product promotions. Her voice recognition system is highly precise, and she communicates fluently in multiple languages. She can also interpret facial expressions and body language, allowing interactions with her to feel natural, smooth, and inviting. Before we jump to the next robot, subscribe to stay ahead in the world of tech. Number 10. Hoyu by Shenzhen. Hoyu is a hyper-realistic female robot developed in China. She stands 158 centimeters tall and weighs 33 kilograms. Her silicone skin is incredibly soft, while an internal metal skeleton allows fluid movement and a wide range of natural poses. Her face is crafted with detailed eyebrows, eyelashes, and skin textures, making her nearly indistinguishable from a real person. Buyers can choose a voice module that enables her to speak across multiple topics, turning her into a conversational companion. Priced at around $2,800, Hoyu offers a lifelike look and feel at a highly competitive price point. Number 11. Mong Han by KD Dolls. KD Dolls, a Chinese company, recently introduced Mong Han, a 165cm tall female robot that looks and behaves strikingly lifelike. Her body is wrapped in soft silicone skin, while her facial features include moving eyes, blinking eyelids, and gentle smiles, all powered by micro-motors. Internal servos allow her head to tilt and her torso to shift subtly, creating a relaxed, natural seated posture. Mong Han does more than simply sit and appear realistic. She communicates. She responds to voices with soft, emotionally toned speech and maintains eye contact during conversation. Her responses are context-aware and delivered warmly, primarily in Mandarin. With detailed skin textures and delicate expressions, she feels alive. While she isn't built for walking or physical tasks, she's ideal for those seeking a realistic robotic companion for home or display settings. Number 12. Leel S39 by Real Lady. Leel S39 is the newest model from Real Lady, a company focused on creating full-body female robots. Standing 170 centimeters tall and weighing 43 kilograms, Leel S39 features soft silicone skin layered over a complete metal skeleton, allowing her to pose naturally and remain stable even while standing. What truly distinguishes her is customization. Buyers can select skin tones, eye colors, hairstyles, and even head shapes. Equipped with artificial intelligence, she can hold conversations, offer emotional support, and function as a genuine companion. Priced around £2,600, Leel S39 delivers premium features at a competitive cost. Number 13. Realistic dolls from Japan. Japanese engineers have once again stunned the world with a new wave of ultra-realistic robotic dolls that are now available for public purchase. These creations aren't meant solely for display. They're built to function as true companions, especially for single men seeking emotional and physical connection. What truly separates these dolls is the level of craftsmanship. Their skin is made from thermoplastic elastomer, a soft, elastic material that closely mimics real human skin. Underneath, a metal framework provides support and allows natural bending and posing. While remarkably lifelike, these robots still have limitations. They can't yet fully replace real human interaction. They may lack the depth, warmth, and complexity of genuine relationships, but with every upgrade, they continue to narrow that gap. These female robots aren't future concepts. They're real and available now. Intrigued by their realism and lifelike movement? Share your thoughts below and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.